Howdy, Wall Street Woolly. Are there any restrictions on contributions to an IRA? Yes. Firstly, there is an annual limit on how much of your IRA contribution you can deduct. For 2023, the limit is $6,500, but people over 50 can deduct an extra $1,000 per year. The money you contribute also has to be earned income. If your earned income is less than the deduction limit, you can only deduct up to the amount of earned income that year. The contributions for a tax year must be made before the tax filing deadline, which is usually April 15th of the following year. Also, no matter your income, you can contribute to an IRA. However, if you or your spouse has a workplace retirement account like a 401k, the amount you can deduct from your income may be reduced based on your income. Are there any restrictions on withdrawals from an IRA? If you withdraw from an IRA before age 59 and a half, you will not only have to pay income tax on the withdrawal, but you'll also incur a 10% early withdrawal penalty. Also, you need to take required minimum distributions, RMDs, after you turn 73. RMDs are the minimum amount of money you have to take out of the IRA and pay taxes on every year. This amount is calculated based on the IRA balance. Does an IRA have any other disadvantages? The contribution limits are much lower than a 401k. Also, since you pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement, you may be better off using a Roth IRA if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement. To learn more about Roth IRAs, watch the video on your screen. Thank you very much, Wall Street Woolly. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.